Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Here we think healthy, we think meat lovers and vegan. Using my Optimum G2.6, the Vortex blender that always hits our expectations from Froothie, one of the fastest growing global brands focusing on health and wellness products. Today I was thinking of spoiling all vegans out there with a delicious lemon cheesecake. To start with the base, we need 1 cup of almonds, half a cup of walnuts, some shredded coconuts, and around 10 dates. Let's blend the almonds at first as they take much time than the walnuts. Add the walnuts, dates, and coconut to the almonds and hit grind so after 70 seconds on high speed you will have the perfect crust. Just add the mixture into the cake pan and press down with the bottom of a glass. And now we can start preparing the filling. Meanwhile, I'll put the pan in the fridge for it to form up. So for the filling, I have soaked some cashew nuts in hot water for around 30 minutes. Just throw them into the jug set with a cup of coconut milk, some maple syrup, a teaspoon of vanilla extract with a half cup of lemon juice. And after we have added all the ingredients, let's hit blend. Perfect. With the Optimum G2.6 from Froothie, you can blend anything and have it in the best texture you need. Let's put some of the filling on the side and pour the rest over the crust. With the filling on the side, just add some blended beetroots to give a nice color and whisk very well. And so for the best part for this delicious lemon cheesecake, place some beetroot mix on top of the cake and mix with a wooden skewer to form an extremely nice design. Now keep it in the freezer for 4 to 5 hours. Now you can leave it in the fridge and serve when needed. Stay safe, keep on blending, and see you in the next video.